Okay, here we are at the Portola Palace in Lhasa. It's very cool. You can see it from all over the city. The area around it is not very traditional anymore. There's the street. There's some kind of square across the street here. There's a lake, I think, over here. That's the other direction. Our hotel is down that way.